Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to download Instagram data in 2025. And here's how it's done. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu at the top right and choose Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Account Center. Under the Your Information and Permissions section, select Download Your Information. Here, you can pick which types of data you'd like to download, such as photos, comments, likes, or messages. You can choose to download everything or only specific categories to speed up the process. After making your selection, tap Next. You will then be prompted to choose the download format. Select HTML for an easy to read file viewable in a browser. Choose JSON if you need the data for technical purposes. Once you have chosen the format, tap Create File. Instagram will begin preparing your data, which may take a few minutes or several days depending on the size of your account. When your data is ready, Instagram will notify you. Tap the notification and select Download to save the data to your device. If you downloaded the HTML file, you can view it in any web browser. For JSON files, you may need a text editor or specialized software to read the data. And that is everything you need to know about how to download Instagram data in 2025.